Welcome to our video on NordVPN 2026, Buy or Pass. We'll explore the features that secure your connection, such as military-grade encryption and a no-logs policy, while addressing the common risks of data leaks and unsecured Wi-Fi. NordVPN uses the NordLynx protocol, achieving impressive speed retention, around 89 to 93%, which dramatically reduces latency and ping, even on real-time applications like video calls. This offers a significant advantage over the performance limitations of traditional VPNs. Threat Protection Pro offers a standalone security layer, blocking malware and phishing domains natively. This is proactive protection that works 100% of the time, unlike basic VPNs, which only offer security when active and allow intrusive ad trackers. NordVPN's RAM-only infrastructure ensures data is wiped clean on every reboot. With over 6,300 servers across 111 countries, it's physically impossible to store logs, which is a major advantage over traditional servers that rely on persistent hard drives. NordVPN Mesh.net provides a free, private encrypted LAN, allowing you to instantly link your devices for secure file sharing and remote desktop access. This replaces the need for costly third-party solutions and complex enterprise setups. NordVPN supports up to 10 simultaneous connections and router-level installation, making it ideal for solo professionals and small teams. However, competitors like Surfshark offer unlimited devices, which may be better suited for massive households. Features like double VPN and onion over VPN route traffic through multiple servers for enterprise-grade anonymity, perfect for sensitive data. The trade-off is a significant drop in connection speed and higher latency, making it less ideal for high-resolution streaming or gaming. NordVPN is successful at geo-unblocking streaming libraries in the US, UK, and JP, and bypassing regional YouTube ads. However, you should be aware that geo-unblocking remains an ongoing battle, occasionally requiring server switching to avoid detection errors. Full split tunneling control is available on Windows and Android, offering total power user control by routing specific apps through the VPN or excluding trusted local apps. Unfortunately, this functionality is not supported on macOS. The easy-to-use app interface, with its intuitive map and 4-minute visual onboarding, is excellent for mainstream OS users. However, the Linux user experience often requires mandatory command line knowledge, posing a high barrier for beginners. NordVPN offers aggressive introductory rates for the first 2 years, providing unbeatable upfront value and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Be aware of the renewal trap, as prices can jump sharply after the intro period, sometimes reaching 2 to 3 times the initial cost. NordVPN is headquartered safely in Panama, outside the major intelligence alliances, and is fully audited. This protects data sovereignty, contrasting with standard competitors in jurisdictions like the US or UK that are legally subject to government data requests. NordVPN provides verified 24/7 live chat with human responses in under 2 minutes, offering accurate help with complex setups. This contrasts with industry standard support, which often involves frustrating AI bot menus and long waits for simple technical issues. NordVPN offers dedicated IP addresses, preventing banking blacklists and constant CAPTCHA requests, making it perfect for whitelisted client systems. However, this is an add-on feature that costs extra and may not be available in all locations. NordVPN is highly recommended for remote freelancers, digital nomads, and creators needing to unblock regional content. However, Apple Mac power users, massive households, and Linux beginners might want to consider alternatives due to feature limitations.